The node tool in Affinity is the tool you use when you want to change the shape of something you've already drawn. Kind of like grabbing the tiny corners and points on a shape to bend it, pull it, or reshape it. To use it, press the A key or click the node tool icon. Before editing, you must convert your shape to curves, which simply means make this shape editable. You can do that by clicking the Convert to Curves button at the top or by right-clicking the shape and choosing Convert to Curves. Once it's converted, you can click any point on the shape and drag it to change the form. You'll see three important options: Sharp for making pointy corners, Smooth for soft, rounded corners, and Smart for curves that adjust themselves automatically as you drag. To understand the difference, try dragging a smooth point. You'll notice one side moves. Drag a smart point, and the whole curve adjusts nicely on both sides. You can also add new points by clicking on the outline, split a point to create a new opening, or even break a shape apart so each side moves separately. If a shape is open, the Close or Join button will reconnect it. And if your stroke is facing the wrong way, Reverse Curve flips it instantly. Think of the node tool as your shape editing pencil. It lets you fix, reshape, and customize any line or object. If this helped you finally understand nodes, hit like, tap subscribe, and let's keep learning Affinity together.